Holiday rule: if it doesn't sparkle or make you glow, it's not a gift. And that's why I'm so excited about this KAPLAN MD limited edition holiday kit. I grabbed it for myself, and now I'm adding it to my holiday gifting because the glow is that good. Inside, you get their Diamond Contour Supercharged 1-minute daily facial, the XL size and the travel size. It literally gives you that fresh from the spa look in just 1 minute. What makes KAPLAN MD special is their whole philosophy. They believe quality matters, so they use the highest grade, clinically tested ingredients. They're all about simplicity too, so their formulas are designed to deliver multiple benefits in one step. The Diamond Contour Facial is one of their signature formulas, created by Dr. Stuart Kaplan. It exfoliates, smooths, and brightens using patented ingredients at the concentrations that they were clinically tested, which is why it's so instantly transformative. And the fact that this gorgeous holiday set is limited edition and 25% off on KAPLANMD.com makes it such the perfect gift. Whether you're treating someone special or adding a little sparkle to your own routine. If glowing, smooth, did she just get a facial skin is on your wish list this year, this is your sign.